myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
The whole time you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it. You don't want it badder than you want to party. You don't want it as much as you want to be cool. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep. Some of you all sleep. Right. And just keep posting. I'm here to tell you that if you're going to be successful, you gotta be willing to give up sleep.
Hey everyone, it's Clyde here, and today before you see the aftermath, after I film this everything, I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do today. Basically, this is what happened. I didn't do anything all day and I was procrastinating a lot, and I'm sipping some tea to make myself feel better, but I didn't do anything for the first couple of hours, and this footage is nonsense, but let's get to the video. So let's get real. Today I'm going to be showing you, I'm gonna draw some portraits. I'm gonna draw some portraits today with ink and of my relatives. I'm gonna start drawing my uncle, and then we'll go from there. So this is my second drawing I did, but didn't turn out really good. It doesn't look like him. The first one looks like it's a cowboy and an old man. Then the second one I tried to draw another person, but it didn't work out. And the third, I think we got it, but it started as a first, but yeah. I don't know what to do, to be honest. My problem is that I cannot draw people who I know, because I don't know, or maybe I'm always drawing like pretty girls, or you know, the beauty standards, or we're so used to drawing white people. Oh my god, she's gonna get cancelled, but I don't know why I cannot draw. Even myself, I cannot draw myself. It doesn't look like me, and I don't know. And I think I'm gonna stick to one, and I'm gonna edit this one out and gonna think of something else to do, because it was a fail and I wanted to keep it real. So after you see that, I don't know what the fuck this video is gonna be, but one thing is I don't wanna draw anything, so it's really random and it's really quick sketch, and it doesn't have any meaning at all. Like all your art teachers or someone ask, oh, what's the meaning of this? Like nothing. I just needed to post on Instagram. I'm using an iPhone for everything, and also it's an old one, so you can do anything, to be honest. If you want to start like painting, I'm using like my fingers to draw and paint, and I'm gonna bring this drawing right here on Procreate, and you're gonna watch me do some things. Wait a minute. So I'm gonna take that drawing I did like a sketch on Procreate on my phone, and to make it better, even though it's not the best, because it only took like I think 30 minutes, not even. And yeah, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna show you the finished product on how I post on Instagram and all of that stuff. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and like, comment, share, do whatever you want, and it means a lot to me. And I'm gonna try my best to post more. I'm doing a lot of things, to be honest, and I don't know where to start. But yeah, please give it a like, thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to tell me, and share this video, and please, the most important thing, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. It's been Clyde. Bye.